English phrasal verbs, meanings and example sentences. 1. Look after, to take care of something or someone. Can you look after my dog while I'm away? 2. Set up, to establish something or create something. 2. Set up, to establish something or create something. I'm going to set up a new business in town. 3. Give up, to stop doing something or quit. I'm going to give up smoking. 4. Get up, to wake up and leave the bed. I have to get up early for work. 5. Turn off, to stop the flow of something or shut down a device. Can you turn off the music? 6. Pick up, to collect or retrieve something. Can you pick up the kids from school? 7. Put off, to postpone or delay something. Let's put off the meeting until next week. 8. Look up, to search for something in a dictionary or online. I need to look up the meaning of this word. 9. Take off, to remove clothing or to leave a place. I'm going to take off my coat. 10. Come up with, to think of or create something. Can you come up with a good idea for our project? 11. Run into, to meet someone unexpectedly. I ran into my old friend at the supermarket. 12. Go on, to continue or keep doing something. Let's go on with the discussion. 13. Bring up, to raise a topic for discussion. I want to bring up the issue of salary at the meeting. 14. Carry on, to continue doing something. Let's carry on with our plan. 15. Put on, to wear clothing or accessories. I'm going to put on my coat. 16. Take care of, to look after or be responsible for something or someone. I'll take care of the children while you're out. 17. Get on, to board a vehicle or to make progress. Let's get on the train. 18. Go back, to return to a place or to the past. I want to go back to my hometown. 19. Turn on, to start the flow of something or to switch on a device. Can you turn on the lights? 20. Look forward to await something with pleasure. I'm looking forward to the weekend. 21. Find out, to discover or learn something. I want to find out the truth. 22. Give away, to give something for free or to reveal a secret. I'm going to give away my old clothes to charity. 23. Bring in, to introduce something or someone. Let's bring in some new ideas. 24. Call off, to cancel or terminate something. Let's call off the meeting. 25. Take up, to start doing something or to occupy space. I want to take up a new hobby. 26. Fill in, to complete a form or provide missing information. Can you fill in the form? 27. Keep up, to maintain something or to stay informed. Let's keep up the good work. 28. Turn down, to refuse an offer or lower the volume of something. I'm going to turn down the job offer. 29. Bring back, to return something or to recall something from the past. Let's bring back the old traditions. 30. Hold on, to wait or hold something tightly. Please hold on for a moment. 31. Put out, to extinguish a fire or to publish something. 32. Look into, to investigate or examine something. I need to look into this issue further. 33. Back up, to support or reinforce something or someone. Can you back me up on this decision? Can you back me up on this decision? 34. Bring out, to reveal or publish something. The company will bring out a new product next year. 35. Give in, to surrender or yield to something or someone. I'm going to give in to their demands. 36. Show off, to display something or oneself in a boastful way. He likes to show off his expensive car. 37. Catch up, to reach the same level or pace as others. I need to catch up with my work. 38. Check out, to investigate or examine something or to leave a place. I'm going to check out the new restaurant. 39. Look out, to be cautious or watchful. Look out for the slippery floor. 40. Take off, to become successful or popular quickly. The new song has taken off on the charts. 41. Break up, to end a relationship or to separate into pieces. They decided to break up after a year of dating. 42. Call for, to demand or require something. The situation calls for immediate action. 43. Hang up, to end a phone call. I accidentally hung up on my friend. I accidentally hung up on my friend. 44. Come across, to encounter or find something unexpectedly. I came across a great deal on a used car. 45. Hold back, to restrain or prevent something or someone from advancing. Don't hold back your opinions. 46. Put away, to store something in its proper place. I'm going to put away the dishes. 47. Run out of, to exhaust or deplete a supply of something. We've run out of milk. 48. Break down, to stop working or to have an emotional collapse. My car broke down on the highway. 49. Come up, to arise or appear unexpectedly. A new opportunity came up at work. 50. Get over, to recover from an illness or emotional setback. I need to get over my fear of public speaking. 51. Look up to admire or respect someone. I've always looked up to my father. 52. Put off, to discourage or cause someone to lose interest. The bad weather put off the tourists. 53. Take back, to retract or withdraw a statement or action. I want to take back what I said earlier. 54. Break into, to enter a building illegally or to interrupt someone's conversation. Someone broke into my house while I was away. 55. Come out, to be released or to make a public appearance. The new movie comes out next week. 56. Find out, to discover or learn something new. I need to find out the time of the meeting. 57. Hold on to grasp or keep something tightly. Hold on to the railing while you climb the stairs. 58. Put up with, to tolerate or endure something unpleasant. I can't put up with this noise any longer. 59. Run into, to encounter someone or something unexpectedly. I ran into my old boss at the supermarket. 60. Turn into, to change or transform into something else. The caterpillar turned into a butterfly. 61. Break out, to escape or to begin suddenly. The prisoners broke out of jail last night. 62. Count on, to rely or depend on someone or something. I'm counting on you to finish the project. 63. Fill out, to complete a form or document with necessary information. Please fill out this application form. 64. Hang out, to spend time with someone casually. I like to hang out with my friends on weekends. 65. Look forward to anticipate or be excited about something in the future. I'm looking forward to my vacation next month. 66. Pick up, to lift something off the ground or to collect someone or something. Can you help me pick up these books? 67. Set up, to arrange or establish something or to trap someone. We need to set up a meeting to discuss the issue. 68. Throw away, to discard or dispose of something. Don't throw away that old shirt. I can still use it. 69. Turn off, to switch off or to disgust or bore someone. Can you turn off the lights? Can you turn off the lights? 70. Add up, to calculate or make sense. The numbers don't add up. There must be an error. 71. Bring up, to raise or mention a topic or to raise a child. I don't like to bring up politics at family gatherings. 72. Cut down, to reduce or decrease something or to fell. 73. Fill up, to completely fill something or to become full. Can you fill up the gas tank before we leave? 74. Hang up on, to abruptly end a phone call with someone. He hung up on me before I could explain. 75. Look back on, to remember or reflect on something in the past. I like to look back on my childhood memories. 76. Pick out, to choose or select something. I need to pick out a birthday present for my sister. 77. Settle down, to establish oneself or to calm down. After traveling for years, he decided to settle down in a small town. 78. Throw up, to vomit or to raise something quickly and suddenly. I feel like I'm going to throw up after eating that sushi. 79. Turn on, to switch on or to excite or arouse someone. Can you turn on the TV? 80. Ask out, to invite someone on a date. He finally asked her out after months of flirting. 81. Bring about, to cause or bring into existence. The new policy brought about significant changes in the company. 82. Cut off, to disconnect or stop the flow of something. The power was cut off during the storm. 83. Figure out, to understand or solve something. I need to figure out how to fix this computer problem. 84. Hold up, to support or delay something or to rob someone with a weapon. The bridge can hold up the weight of heavy trucks. 85. Live up to fulfill or meet expectations or standards. The restaurant didn't live up to its reputation. The restaurant didn't live up to its reputation. 86. Pick up on, to notice or perceive something that is not obvious. She picked up on his subtle hints. 87. Settle for, to accept something less than what one really wants or deserves. He didn't get the job he wanted, so he settled for a lower position. 88. Turn out, to produce or become apparent. 89. Back down, to withdraw or concede a position or argument. After some negotiation, he decided to back down from his initial demands. 90. Bring in, to introduce or to earn money. The company plans to bring in new technology next year. 91. Cut back, to reduce or decrease something. I need to cut back on my spending. 92. Fill in, to provide missing information or to substitute for someone. Can you fill in the details on the form? 93. Keep up with, to stay informed or to maintain the same level or pace as someone. It's hard to keep up with the latest technology. 94. Pick up after, to clean up or tidy up after someone. Can you please pick up after yourself in the kitchen? 95. Shake off, to get rid of or to escape from something or someone. He was able to shake off the flu after a few days. 96. Think over, to consider or reflect on something before making a decision. I need to think over this job offer before accepting it. I need to think over this job offer before accepting it. 97. Back up, to reverse or to provide support or assistance. Can you back up the car so I can load the trunk? 98. Bring up, to raise a topic or to vomit. I don't like to bring up my ex-boyfriend in conversations. 99. Cut in, to interrupt or to make a sudden entrance. He cut in during our conversation and changed. 100. Get away, to escape or to take a break from something or somewhere. I need to get away from work for a few days.